Go home happy with the 2016 Dodge Charger. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Go bold or go home. The Charger packs aggressive athleticism and unexpected fuel efficiency into a driver-centered, family-friendly 4-door package. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, heated rear seat, backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, power driver's seat. Why miss out on performance just because you need 4 doors? Get into the Charger and drive.